Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very exciting video. I'm so excited. I'm going to be unboxing my new M1 chip iMac desktop. So I got the blue color and I got the 24-inch and I got the highest quality one, like the one with all the specs on it. So I got everything. So I just wanted to show you me unboxing my new iMac. I'm so excited. I've waited for this moment and it's finally here. It got here 5 days early than it was supposed to, so I'm so excited. So I customized it to get extra storage because I like to do video editing. I got upgraded to Final Cut Pro, and then I got a free pair of AirPods with it because of the education credit. So I got all of those things, so I'm so excited to unbox it. I've literally waited for this moment for so long. I've always wanted an iMac, and I can't believe I finally have one. I'm literally so excited. I could scream. But I just wanted to show you, bring you along with me as I unbox it for you and set it up. I'm so excited. Like, I literally can barely breathe. I'm so excited. Ah! Okay, so here's the box. Okay, so there's this little brown tab here at the top. Okay. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna set it up. This is what it looks like. Here it is. So I got the blue iMac, and as you can see, the box, it's all decked out with blue touches, like the handle's blue, the box is blue, everything like that. I'm so excited. Here is the iMac. I'm so excited. And as you know, I am wearing this blue shirt to match. Now, we are going to open it. So, pull off the tab. So here it is here. And so I pulled off the strip. And then, now I just have to figure out how to open it. Okay, here we go. Here it is. All you have to do is move these sides here. Now I am going to get it out of this boxing. Oh wow, it's very light. Okay, here it is here. So next I have the keyboard and then all of the cables. We have the keyboard here. I got the one with the Touch ID. I also have the magic mouse right here, and it's so pretty. Like, look at that blue. It's gorgeous. The cord to plug it in, like the blue is seriously so pretty. So, and I also have the one with the Ethernet port. Here are the two stickers, the light blue that matches the front, and then the... Okay, so I am now sitting here at my desk with my new iMac that you can't really see, but I just thought I would unbox all the cables for you. So, this one. Next we have this little charging cable. Next we have our little magic mouse here, which is so cute. This is what it looks like. So it's white on top, and then this super pretty blue color that matches perfectly with my shirt. We have our little keyboard. And last but not least, we have our beautiful iMac. So it has these really nice pull tabs here. And then it has a little bit underneath the chin here. and then there is a strip all along the edge here. There's another one. So this goes all around the edge. This is beautiful blue color right here. It's gorgeous. And then if you turn it around, I'm not sure if you can see, but I'll try to zoom in. I have 4 ports, so I have 2 lightning and then 2 USB-C cords right here. So I got the like extended version, or like the highest version you can get, just because I wanted to have additional cords. Plus I'll be using this, my plan is to use it for a long time, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough storage and everything on it to make sure that I could use it to its full potential, because I'll be doing so much video editing and all that kind of stuff on it. So I wanted to make sure that it was the highest quality I could get. But I'm so excited. Like, I literally can't even like, I can't even like, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the back of the iMac. So we have our on button right here, on and off button, and then through this little clasp, all you have to do is, and then you just match it up with the little hole here in the back, and it just magnetizes and clips in. And then here's a better video quality of the back with the 4 ports. And then there should be, then there's a little headphone jack right here once it focuses. All right, so now I'm going to set up the iMac, and I'll just put you on a little montage so you can see what I'm doing as I set it up. Okay, so I'm just setting up my computer, and I'm literally so excited. Like, I honestly, like, I know it's dumb because it's a material purchase or whatever, but I've worked so hard, like paying off my student loans and saving a lot of money, and I really wanted to treat myself to something that I know I would use so much and that would really like up level my YouTube channel. So I'm just like so excited, and I honestly can't believe it's here. Like, it's really a moment of like, oh my god, I did it. Like, it's been on my vision boards. It's been something that I really wanted for like so many years, like before I even had it on a vision board. So for it just to be here and like setting it up and like YouTubing it for you and filming it, I'm just like so excited and so thankful and grateful and blessed that it's here. So I can't believe it, and I can't wait to edit on here tonight. Okay, so now I just want to test out the quality of the sound. So I'm gonna go to my own YouTube channel and just click this one here. Got this white shirt. So this was heavily discounted already, and I tried on a similar one. So the sound quality is super good, and so is the video quality. Let's try in H. Okay, so this is HD. Oh yeah, the quality is definitely there. So nice. I love how the screen goes right to the edge, and this is one solid piece of glass. Like, so this is not just like titanium or aluminum or whatever the material down here is, but it's glass all the way through. And I am obsessed with the screen size. I went from using an Apple, a 2016 Apple Air computer, MacBook Air, which was, I think, 11.5 inches, and this is 24, so this is like close to double the size, so it's such a huge difference. And like the quality is like crazy. It's so fast. I can't wait to try editing on it tonight to see what the quality is like and like how much faster it is than using my MacBook, my 2016 MacBook Air instead of the 2021 iMac with the M1 chip. So I'm interested to see how fast it is compared to what I currently have, considering there's about a 6-year age gap in between the two products. But so far so good. I mean, it works really well. I did see a few reviews online that people didn't like this mouse and that they probably should have gotten the trackpad, but I use a mouse every day for work, like my full-time job, and I use it every day, so I'm not really, I like this so far. It seems very easy to use, so I'm not too worried yet about it, but I definitely could get the trackpad later if I wanted to. I couldn't get like the light blue in it, but I could get just like the basic all white trackpad. Yeah, so far so good. I really love it and I can't believe I have it, and like I'm so glad I picked the blue color. I was in between the pink/red and then the blue color. My mom convinced me to get the blue because I liked the pink in the front of the pink iMac, but I really did not like the red. And I don't know where I'm gonna be living and how I'm gonna have my computer facing in my next place that I live in. So I didn't want to get the pink/red and then have it facing outward and then seeing it and not liking it. But I love the navy blue and I love the light blue in the front, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the blue. So I'm gonna have to change my like pictures and stuff behind it so it has more of a blue tone to it. I might have to get like a blue throw pillow for this chair that I have, but I really do like it, and I am going to order like a little placemat. I'll insert a photo here of what I want on top of the desk, so it like ties everything together. So it's like, I saw one and it's like a light blue like pleather or leather thing to put on top of your desk. So my old computer, my Air, has like an SD card reader on it already, so this computer does not have that. So I wanted to get a USB to SD card reader, so whenever I'm editing videos and all that kind of stuff or doing pictures, all I have to do is plug this into my computer. Hopefully it works. It should. If it doesn't, I'll be mad. And then I just take the SD card out of my camera, which obviously I can't do while I'm filming, and put it in here, and then put this cord into my computer. So I have that. And then I also ordered this for my desk upstairs, like my 9-to-5 desk as I call it, to put my computer on top of it. But I also have a standing desk upstairs, and it was just too high, so I thought I would bring it down here and put my iMac on it so I can like move my iMac up a little bit higher. I don't know if this might be too high too, but then I can put my keyboard, my mouse, and everything, like all my cords and stuff underneath it, so then it's just more of a cleaner thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so excited to be using my new iMac. Can't believe I just said that. I'm so excited. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with someone who you think might like it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to get started on this new iMac, this new computer, and really like up level my editing and my YouTube quality for you, so you get better videos from me. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.